Hi everybody, I'm KHOU 11 Meteorologist Pat Cavlin here on KHOU 11 Plus, where we do a little bit of a deeper dive into the forecast. And it is certainly very warm out there right now, and it's going to stay warm as we go at least for the next few days. That comes with a lot of humidity as well, but changes are on the way. So with the humidity, that does mean that we will start to see, or at least continue to see, patchy fog for the next few mornings. We've had it the last 2 nights. We'll probably see it for the next 2 more nights. And again, that's just a product of the high humidity with the warmer temperatures. We stay warm as well, not just for the overnights, but of course during the afternoons. But as promised, we do see a shift in the forecast as we get to the middle of the week. That'll come with a couple of showers Wednesday. Does not look like a washout, but behind that, some much nicer weather comes in for the end of the week. Let's start with today, though. Stationary boundary is to the north. That keeps us on the warm side of things. It also keeps the focus for any rain well to our north. So it's just breaks of sun today, maybe 1 or 2 stray showers. Otherwise, though, it's warm and muggy. Same deal getting into tomorrow. Partly cloudy, maybe a stray shower chance. That humidity keeps coming in from the Gulf. But back to the north and west, we've got a cold front coming in. That will eventually get to us by the time we get to Wednesday. Now, that does bring the chance for a few showers and storms, but it's not a washout. In fact, I think the better rain chances stay farther to the north and east. We'll get a few showers here, but it's really what comes in behind the front that everyone's going to be excited about. So humidity will stay high until that front comes through. We're in the humid category for today, for tomorrow. Wednesday is that transition day. As that front goes through, the humidity drops, and look at that, goes through the floor as we get towards Thursday into the end of the week and the weekend. So there's the silver lining here. Temperatures come down as well, and rain chances also drop. But in the meantime, isolated chance today, same deal for tomorrow. Wednesday is when the rain chances will be the highest, although even that is not going to be rain for everyone, only a 50-50 chance, and then we turn dry getting into Thursday and Friday. So here it is on Future Track rest of today. I think the better shower chances will be really confined out towards Galveston Bay, down towards the coastline. Everyone else should be mainly dry. And then for tomorrow, we'll start the day mainly cloudy, with some patchy fog, same as what we saw today, maybe an area of drizzle or mist. But as the day goes on, all of the cloud cover should melt away. We actually, I think we'll get more sunshine for tomorrow than what we're seeing out there today. But with that, the ground heats up and we could, maybe spark off 1 or 2 showers, maybe even a rumble of thunder. But it's really Wednesday that the rain chances come back. So again, rinse and repeat. Fog to start, couple clouds. Late morning, that line of showers starts to come into the area. Maybe a rumble of thunder, nothing severe though. But I think the better rain chances on Wednesday will be from I-10 from the city and points north, because watch what happens with this line as we get to the afternoon. It really starts to fall apart. In fact, a lot of areas I think south of the city won't see much of anything in terms of rain chances. And for us, it's quick moving. It's just a quick line of showers and we dry things out. So by Wednesday evening, not only are we starting to turn drier, but we start to turn cooler as well. So the week starts off with warm weather. It's muggy. Again, maybe an isolated shower or 2, but as we get to Wednesday, that front comes in and boy, temperatures come down behind that. So again, maybe 1 or 2 showers possible on Wednesday, but it's the cool down that comes in afterwards that we are all looking forward to. So we'll see a string of really warm weather the next few days. 80 today, near 80 tomorrow, 75 then for Wednesday, and then down to 65 for your high temperature on Thursday. So it's not a drastic drop. It's just getting back to where we should be for this time of year. Average high is 65, and we will stay at or below that, getting all the way through the end of the week and the weekend. And looking towards Christmas week, right, December 22nd to the 26th, here is how temperatures will fare across the U.S. Warm weather for the western half, and then cool weather for the eastern half, and we are on that dividing line here. So we've got pretty equal chances of seeing temperatures, below or above normal. Looks like we're going to be near normal, if not maybe a smidge above for Christmas Day. But again, still, a week and a half out before we can give you any definitive answers on that. So for today, 78 in Bel Air, 79 Montrose, same for Gulf Crest, 78 for Aldine. We'll probably see a few 80-degree readings pop up in here, 79 Jersey Village. A little bit cooler, though, down towards Galveston Bay. The water temperatures are cool enough now where it's keeping those areas a few degrees cooler, 71 for Seabrook, 75 Baytown. And then 79 Angleton, 80 for Sugar Land, Bay City, 77 Navasota. For the overnight tonight, 66, a very popular number
from Aldine to Almeda, Montrose and the Heights, and more of the same really across the county. That's what happens when you get a lot of humidity, a lot of cloud covering, even some fog. Temperatures stay pretty even. Cool spots out towards Seabrook and LaPorte and Baytown at 64. 66 for El Campo, 64 Conroe, same for Galveston. So again, mid-60s across the board with patchy fog coming in late. So we'll do near 80 again for tomorrow, just with a 20% shower chance. Really the exception, not the rule, if you see any rain at all. Then getting into Wednesday is when we have that 50-50 chance for showers and storms as that cold front goes through. That knocks us down to the 60s then for the rest of the week. But it's the overnight temperatures down into the 40s. That will really be the shock to the system here. And we hang on to that chilly weather, but with a lot of sunshine and no humidity through the end of the week into the weekend.